YouTube has become the world's free online university. With millions of videos uploaded every day, it offers an unparalleled range of educational content. From academic subjects like math and science to practical skills like cooking and coding, YouTube has something for everyone. Anyone with an internet connection can access a vast library of knowledge. It's a revolutionary concept that democratizes education. No longer confined to the walls of traditional classrooms, learning can happen anywhere, anytime. No longer do you need expensive textbooks or formal enrollment. The barriers to education are being dismantled, one video at a time. Imagine the possibilities when learning is just a click away. YouTube breaks down barriers to education. It brings together people from all walks of life, creating a global classroom where everyone is both a student and a teacher. The platform fosters a sense of community and shared learning. Whether you want to learn a new language or understand complex scientific theories, YouTube has you covered. The diversity of content means that there is always something new to discover, keeping the learning experience fresh and engaging. A simple search opens up a world of possibilities. With just a few keystrokes, you can find tutorials, lectures, and documentaries on virtually any topic. The ease of access makes it an invaluable resource for lifelong learners. It's like having a personal tutor available 24/7. Whether you're a night owl or an early bird, YouTube fits into your schedule, allowing you to learn at your own pace and on your own terms. The beauty of YouTube is its accessibility. It doesn't matter where you are or what device you're using. As long as you have an internet connection, the world of knowledge is at your fingertips. Geographic location and financial constraints no longer limit access to knowledge. This is a game changer for people in remote or underserved areas, providing them with opportunities they might not have had otherwise. This is particularly impactful for underserved communities. It levels the playing field, giving everyone the chance to learn and succeed, regardless of their background or circumstances. YouTube empowers individuals to learn and grow. It inspires curiosity and fosters a love of learning that can last a lifetime. In this digital age, education is no longer a privilege, but a right accessible to all. We all learn differently. Some prefer visual aids while others thrive on auditory input. YouTube caters to these diverse learning styles. It's a personalized learning experience. Visual learners can benefit from channels like Crash Course. Their videos use engaging animations to explain complex topics. History, science, and literature come alive through vibrant visuals. Auditory learners can listen to lectures and podcasts. The platform offers a wide variety of content delivered through spoken word. Kinesthetic learners can find hands-on tutorials and demonstrations. YouTube makes learning engaging and effective for everyone. YouTube has given experts a platform to share their knowledge with the world. Professors, scientists, and professionals use the platform to educate and inspire. It's like attending a lecture from the comfort of your own home. Dr. Becky Smethurst, an astrophysicist, uses YouTube to explain the wonders of the universe. Her videos make complex topics like black holes and cosmology accessible to a wider audience. The platform allows experts to connect with a global audience. They can share their passion for their field and inspire the next generation of thinkers and innovators. YouTube democratizes access to expert knowledge. YouTube is a multi-generational learning platform. It offers content for learners of all ages. From toddlers to grandparents, there's something for everyone. Children can enjoy educational channels like Blippi. These videos combine entertainment with learning. They introduce colors, shapes, and numbers in a fun and engaging way. Adults can explore a wide range of topics: career skills, hobbies, DIY projects. The possibilities are endless. YouTube caters to lifelong learners, fostering curiosity and a love for learning at any age. Section 5. Cutting the cord. The rise of YouTube TV. YouTube has disrupted the traditional television landscape. For decades, cable TV was the go-to source for entertainment, news, and sports. Families would gather around their television sets, flipping through channels, often frustrated by the limited options and high costs. With the rise of YouTube TV, viewers are cutting the cord and embracing streaming services. This shift is not just about technology. It's about a change in viewing habits. People are now looking for more flexibility and control over what they watch and when they watch it. It's a shift in how we consume entertainment. No longer are we tied to a fixed schedule or a single device. With YouTube TV, you can watch your favorite shows on your TV, tablet or phone, whether you're at home or on the go. YouTube TV offers live TV streaming from major networks. ABC, ESPN and HGTV are just a few of the channels available. This means you can still catch live sports, news and your favorite shows without missing a beat. HGTV, it's all there. From home improvement shows to lifestyle programs, YouTube TV has something for everyone. Viewers can access their favorite shows and channels without the need for cable boxes. This not only declutters the living room, but also simplifies the entire viewing experience. This cord-cutting trend is driven by convenience and affordability. Traditional cable packages often come with hefty bills and hidden fees. In contrast, YouTube TV offers a straightforward pricing model that is easier on the wallet. YouTube TV provides a flexible and cost-effective alternative to traditional cable packages. Subscribers can choose from various plans and add-ons, tailoring their viewing experience to their preferences and budget. It's a testament to YouTube's growing influence in the entertainment industry. As more people make the switch, YouTube TV continues to innovate, offering new features and content to meet the evolving needs of its audience. Section 6, YouTube Originals, a new era of content. YouTube isn't just about user-generated content. The platform has also invested in original programming. YouTube Originals showcase a diverse range of shows and movies. Cobra Kai, a continuation of the Karate Kid franchise, started as a YouTube original. Its success led to it being picked up by Netflix. This demonstrates YouTube's ability to create compelling content that resonates with audiences. YouTube Originals cover a variety of genres, from documentaries to comedies. The platform is committed to producing high-quality content that rivals traditional television networks. Section 7. Short videos, big impact. In today's fast-paced world, people often have limited attention spans. YouTube caters to this by offering a plethora of short-form content. These bite-sized videos provide entertainment and information in a concise format. Channels like Hot Ones have mastered the art of short-form content. Their videos combine celebrity interviews with spicy food challenges. It's a winning formula that keeps viewers engaged. Short videos are perfect for consuming on the go. Whether you're commuting or have a few minutes to spare, YouTube offers a quick dose of entertainment or education. Section 8. A platform for diverse voices. One of YouTube's greatest strengths is its diversity. The platform has become a global stage where anyone, regardless of their background, can share their stories, ideas, and talents. This inclusivity has allowed for a rich tapestry of content that spans across various genres and interests. The platform has given a voice to creators from all walks of life. From beauty gurus and tech reviewers to educators and activists, YouTube hosts a myriad of channels that cater to every conceivable interest. This democratization of content creation has empowered individuals to become influencers in their own right. It's a melting pot of perspectives and experiences. Viewers can find content that resonates with their personal experiences or exposes them to new viewpoints. This exchange of ideas fosters a sense of community and understanding among users from different parts of the world. Lily Singh, a comedian and actress, rose to fame through her YouTube channel. Her unique blend of humor and cultural commentary struck a chord with millions of viewers, making her one of the platform's most recognizable faces. Her success paved the way for other diverse creators to find their audience. By breaking through the barriers of traditional media, she demonstrated that talent and hard work could lead to success, regardless of one's background. YouTube has broken down barriers and created opportunities for underrepresented voices. It has become a vital platform for social change where important conversations about race, gender, and identity can take place. This diversity of voices enriches the platform. It ensures that a wide array of stories and experiences are shared, making YouTube a more inclusive and representative space. It provides viewers with a wider range of perspectives and challenges traditional media narratives. By offering content that is often overlooked by mainstream outlets, YouTube has become a crucial source of information and entertainment for many. YouTube is a platform where everyone can have a voice. It stands as a testament to the power of digital media in bringing people together and amplifying diverse voices across the globe. Section 9. YouTube's enduring legacy. YouTube has left an undeniable mark on education and entertainment. It has democratized access to knowledge, empowered diverse voices, and revolutionized how we consume content. Its impact is far-reaching. The platform continues to evolve and adapt. New features and technologies are constantly being introduced. YouTube's future is bright, and its influence will only continue to grow. As we move forward, YouTube will continue to shape how we learn, entertain ourselves, and connect with the world around us. It's a platform that has changed the world for the better.